Can a power steering fluid improve the steering, drivability, and also the sound of your power steering unit? Well, let's talk about it. My name's Eben, your oil and lubricant specialist. Welcome back to Synthetic Oil Protection. Today's product highlight we're going over is the power steering fluid. This is synthetic. It's a much bigger upgrade over, say, an OEM style power steering fluid because it can flow better in the cold. So you can have a lot of whining and squealing when you first start your car up. That's very common on older vehicles because it's been neglected by not changing that fluid. This is a multi-vehicle spec, so it meets a lot of different vehicles. I run this in my personal car, and I change this about every 3 years or 36,000 miles, whichever comes first. This will also improve the life of the seals and gaskets because you'll have a little bit less pressure and you have a lot of anti-foaming capability, which keeps a better film strength. So it's a huge upgrade. I would love for you to reach out to me. Happy to answer all your questions on these products. If you'd like to support the channel, definitely order through syntheticoilprotection.net. That'll allow me to be your independent AMSOIL dealer so I can answer all your questions on all these products in the future. I want you to check out this video here. This is the next product of 24 days of AMSOIL products.